Namaskar. Welcome to Yoga Fitness with Priyanka Sharma. Friends, as per the suggestion, I have made a hip follow routine where you can follow my steps one by one, which will increase the strength of your hips, it will increase the mobility, and it will open up your hip flexors. So let's get started. So we begin with the hip mobility. For that, we need to stretch our legs, fold your right knee, and let's start with moving our knees, hugging our knees up and pushing it down. So let's do it 10 times each side. 1, follow the routine. 2, everyone do it together. 3, inhale, exhale. 4, inhale, exhale. 5, inhale, exhale. 6, inhale, exhale. 7, inhale, exhale. 8, inhale, exhale. 9, inhale, exhale. And one more, 10. And let's just hold the leg completely on your hand, wrapping on your hand. And let's just shake our leg from front, from in to out. So that will give a good relaxation to your hips, muscles. Good stretch, releasing the tension from your hip joints. Do it for 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax very slowly. We stretch our right leg, and you can just adjust your hip before we start with the other side. Now we fold our left knee. Hold your knee, and with the other hand, with the other palm, you will hold your foot. Inhale up, exhale, press down. 2, inhale, very good. Those who want to work for the lotus pose. Inhale, exhale. 4, inhale, exhale. 5, inhale, exhale. 6, inhale, exhale. 7, inhale, exhale. 8, inhale, exhale. 9, inhale, exhale. And one more, inhale. Now let's wrap our leg completely on our palms, and we will shake our legs from in to out and give a good stretch. Release the muscles of our hips. 1, 2, for 5 counts. 3, 4, and relax. Very nice, everyone. Good job. So we finish, and we'll just move our hips side to side. Relax. Now we move to the second one, is butterfly pose. So for that, we need to fold our knees one by one, bringing both the feet together. You check your toes and your heels are touching together. We try to push our heels closer to the perineum, and let's begin again. Inhale, lift your knees up closer to your chest. Exhale, press it down. In case if it is too tight, just keep practicing daily. 2, inhale, up. Exhale. 3, inhale, exhale. 4, inhale, exhale. 5, inhale, exhale. 6, inhale, exhale. Very good stretch. 8, exhale. 9, inhale, exhale. And one more, inhale, and press it down. And let's do it forward bend here. We can add up here. You can just keep moving. Place your palms, trying to stretch from your lower back. So we extend our arms forward, and let's just pulse it here. 1, exhale. Feel the stretch. 2, 3, opening your hips. 4, exhale. 5, look in front. Wow, amazing. 6, 7, breathe out. 8, 9, and stay there. 10. See, your belly will touch to your feet. Feel that stretch. Yes, 5 more. 4, 3. Do it daily if you want to go down completely. 2, and 1. Walk back. Relax. Very good. We bring both the knees together and we relax. So we move to the third stretch, which is we'll move in a frog pose. For that, let's prepare ourselves. Both the palms, you'll place it next to your hip and we'll have a rotation of the hip on side to side. So we move our complete knees on the left side. Inhale, come back to the center, exhale to the other side. Try pressing it down, very good. 3, breathe in and breathe out. One more, breathe in, feel the stretch right from your hip to your knees. Exhale, good job. So we move to the frog pose. For that, we'll come on our feet in Malasana. We rest our knees on the ground one by one, placing your palms on the floor. Okay, and we try to check that our knees and our ankles in line and your toes are pointing out. As you can see, my toes are pointing out. And then I will try to rest my palms down and I'll try to push my hips to the ground. So it's a very good stretch right on your inner thighs, and you're working on the hip flexors, working on the hip flexibility. If you want to strengthen your hips, you must do this every day. Let's hold for 10, 9, breathe, 8, 7, every day keep practicing, keep lowering your hips. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, it is painful, keep doing it. 3, keep pressing your glutes. 2 and 1, relax. We will walk back. Come on your palms. While coming down, while coming back, go the same way. So first you will move your feet in and then rest your hips back to your heels. This is not that easy, but as you will practice, you will understand and you will feel a good stretch in your hips area. Now moving to the next one. So we will stand up slowly on our mat. Now keeping some space between our feet, your toes pointing out in a goddess pose and your heels pointing each other. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhale, push your hips down. 2, inhale, exhale. Feel, check your knees are not moving away. Breathe in, breathe out. Your knees should be in line of your heels. Inhale, exhale. 5, inhale, exhale. 6, inhale, exhale. Feel the stretch. 7, inhale, exhale. Keep doing it, very good. 8, inhale, feel the stretch. Exhale. 9, inhale, exhale. One more, inhale, and let's hold here. Just feel the stretch. 1, 2, yes, feel that burning sensation in your glutes, your thighs. Check your spine is straight. Tuck your tailbone. 6, continue breathing. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly come back, relax. So you can just shake your legs, relax your hip, relax your thighs. Maybe you can just do a forward. You can fold your knees and just do this a little balancing one. In case if your hips are too tight, you can also practice this. Breathe in, breathe out, and slowly relax. Now we move to the low lunge position where you will come in a kneeling. So I'll turn completely on my right. Fold your left knee down and your right foot. Check your knee and ankle in one line. Okay, place your palms on your hips and keep pushing your hip forward. 1, trying to push your hips down and in front. So there's a good stretch in your hip flexors. 3, breathe. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Relax slowly, come back, and we'll change the orientation of the leg. So you can just slowly lift your knees from the back. You will turn your body on the left side and you will drop your back knee very slowly. Move your feet, your toes pointing at the back. Again, check your front leg, your knee and ankle in line. First 5 counts you can pulse. 1, 2, push your hips, very good. Don't move your hip like this. 3, forward. 4, 5, hold. 6, 7, 8, 9 and relax. Slowly tuck your toes and we lift our knees up and slowly come back to the center. We move to the pigeon pose where you will turn completely on the right side. So the right foot, you will drop your foot down, your foot pointing towards the left, your knees in line of your ankles, and we will shift our left leg. So we keep sliding, so your hip should not open. Make sure your hips are in square shape, and if there is a gap, you will keep doing it every day. You need to pulse it here. Okay, now the day you find it, okay, now I can rest both the thighs, both the pelvis are in line in center, then you can keep moving forward. Amazing stretch. We just give pulsing here. 1, push your chest towards your calf. Check. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we keep lengthening our spine and we try to press that left hip down. So we rotate our left hip, and you can see from the top version, also from the top angle, that my hips are closed. I'm not opening my hip. Breathe. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Feel your right side of your hip. 7. You may also feel it on the hamstring if your hamstrings are tight. 8, 9, and very slowly lift your head from the ground. We walk back. Yes, and slowly we tuck our back toe. We will first move our heels in, and you can also use, if you are flexible enough, you can also use your back leg, grabbing your left foot with your right palm, with your left palm, and try to press your left heel closer to your hip. Wow, amazing stretch. Feel it from your hip flexor to your knee, from your lower back to your back side of your knee. Feel the stretch and your ankles. Feel. 1, breathe. 2, you may also feel it on your quads. 3, 4, breathe. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and very slowly 10. We relax our left leg slowly. We move our leg down without hitting the floor. Okay, now we change our orientation. So we turn to our, first we come in a downward facing dog just to relax our muscles, just to relax our hips, and then we move to the left foot, our left foot forward. So I'll be showing you from the other side. So You can see my leg position. Now moving your left foot forward. Check your left foot is facing to the right, your knee in line, and we keep sliding with our right thigh. So you will see, you will notice that there is no gap. My thigh is down, my knees and toes in line. Check my front leg. It's in a box shape and square shape of my hip. So my both the pelvis is in center. Always check like this. Inhale. We place our both the palms in front. And let's first pulse it down. Pulse it out. 1. Push your chest towards your calves. 3, 4. Feel it on the left side of your glute. 5. Keep doing. 6, 7, 8, 9. Hold. Breathe. You can just keep moving, keep stretching. You can also check from the top angle that my hips are close. My hips are in square shape. If the moment your hips are open, you will notice this happening. Okay, so for this, what you can do is deer pose also. You can fold your back knee and practice this for a moment. Practice this for the beginners. And hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and one more breath. 10. Very slowly lift your head. We bring our palms back. We walk with our palms back, and we will move our left heel in, touching to our right pelvic area. We fold our right knee, grabbing your ankle or your foot completely. Initially, you may feel that there is too much of gap. Then slowly, slowly keep pressing your heel towards your hips. Both the sides will work differently. Stay here. Feel it. 1. Breathe. Feel your right hip flexor, your pelvis, your quads. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very slowly. We will stretch our leg back slowly, moving back without hitting the ground. We place our palms on the floor mat. We will move our leg back and just massage your hips. And then you can drop your knees by spreading your knees out. This is also very good for the hip openers. And then we will move an extended spine. Stretch your spine. You can rest your chin or your forehead down. As you can see, my belly, my chest and my head is in center between the gap of my thighs. You can stay here for 5 breaths. 5. You can also have a hip movement. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly rise up. You will walk back. And you can bring both the knees, your feet together. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do like, do subscribe and comment below. Namaste. Stay blessed.